Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix buffer connection errors in 2026. If buffer is unable to connect to your social media accounts or you're seeing connection error messages, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, identify which connected social media account is showing the connection error. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent buffer from communicating with your social media platforms properly. Now go to the Channels or Connected Accounts section in Buffer and look for the account with the warning or error message. In many cases, the issue can be fixed by reconnecting the account. Next, disconnect the affected social media account and then click Connect Channel to add it again. Follow the authorization steps and grant Buffer all the required permissions. Now verify that you still have administrator or publishing access to the social media page, profile, or business account you're trying to connect. Without the proper permissions, Buffer won't be able to manage your content. Next, check whether you've recently changed your social media password or enabled new security settings. If so, reconnecting the account usually refreshes the authorization. Now refresh your Buffer dashboard and test the connection by creating a simple post or syncing your account. This will help confirm that the connection has been restored successfully. Finally, if the error still appears, try using a different browser, clear your browser cache, or contact Buffer support with the exact error message for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix buffer connection errors step by step. Your connected accounts should now work properly, allowing you to schedule and publish content without interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.